राहुल जी, न्यू लॉन्चेस कम हो गए हैं पुणे में, सो व्हाट वुड बी द रीजन फॉर दिस?
So let's look at the trend of new launches in Pune.
या
So around 2023 में we had almost more than 1 lakh new launches because that time क्या हो रहा था, sales was very good. You were selling, prices were increasing, sales was happening. It was like the great time to be in real estate in Pune.
हाँ.
But then gradually in 2024 developers को एक setback हुआ. Environmental clearance in PCMC and in 5 kilometer radius of PCMC specifically बोलूँ तो बानेर, बालेवाड़ी, मालुंगे वहाँ पे भी बंद हो गया. And because of that new launches were reduced in 2024. Because you think about it, जब 2023 में when so much of inventory is being sold and prices are increasing, you would expect कि developers would launch even more inventory.
Correct.
But यहाँ पे problem क्या हो गया, developers तो ready थे launch करने के लिए, but government से clearance नहीं मिल रहा था, जिस वजह से new launches came down. In 2025 a new problem came. Now we are not getting demarcations because of some problem. So because demarcation नहीं मिल रहा है, जिस वजह से project sanction नहीं हो रहा है, so if you can see now there has been a 25% fall in new launches. तो क्या हो गया है, because of these government related issues, artificially हमारा जो real estate का जो launch cycle का जो boom चल रहा था, that has been, उसके ऊपर break लगा दिया गया है.
लग गया.
And now you can see the launches have come down. But in a way maybe it's actually good also, क्योंकि अगर ग्लोबल अनसर्टेनिटीज की वजह से डिमांड कम हो रहा है, तो ये जो मैसिव अमाउंट ऑफ न्यू लॉन्चेस जो कम हो गए, तो मोर और लेस बैलेंस थिंग्स आउट.